Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an everyday makeup look using my birthday gift 2020 from Sephora. As a birthday starter you get a gift, and I chose the Milk makeup set that came with 3 items in it. So it came with the Hydro Grip primer that I just showed, this Kush mascara, she's really voluminous actually, and the cheek tint that doubles as a lip tint. This was an interesting one. Okay, now I'm going into my Modern Renaissance, my hands down one of my fave palettes ever, and I'm going into, I think that's Raw Sienna, and I'm just gonna dust that all over my eyes. For an everyday makeup look, I wouldn't really do shadow. Like, I love eyeshadow, but that takes forever. So if I just need to, I don't really want makeup like that anyways. All I did was dust a little shadow on my eyes, so it doesn't look even. Man, useless. And now I'm going with my NYX liner. It was kind of trash, so I didn't really want to film that. I was running out. And I'm using the Kush mascara. And you see me shook. I was like, girl, what? Yeah, it caught me off guard because I don't really wear mascara like that. I just be wearing big ass lashes, so they kind of just cover it. Anyways, now I'm going into the Hydro Grip primer, which I've heard a lot of good reviews about. It doesn't have a smell. I don't know why the hell I smelled it, but yeah, I'm just going into that and just putting it all over my face. And now I'm putting on my Fenty foundation. I had a foundation issue this day, so it was a mess. I was irritated at this point, but whatever, we're not gonna get into it. Anyways, I'm going to try Fenty. I know it doesn't look like it matches me. That was my matched shade like 2 years ago. It's still my shade. It's just I haven't been outside like that, so I don't match that right now, obviously. But like, that's my shade, and that's my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in the shade 10 or C10, one of the two. And then I just added some medium beige because I want it brighter. That concealer was too much closer to my shade, my actual skin tone. So yeah, now I'm just setting that with my all over face powder, which is an Estee Lauder powder. I've mentioned in a previous video, I think it's my affordable drugstore. I know that's not a drugstore, but like, it's the only one that it's the only all over face powder I use. So yeah, and now I'm just using my loose powder, I think. No, I'm about to use a loose powder. My Maybelline, yes, there it is, my Maybelline loose powder, the Fit Me loose powder in medium deep. And now I'm contouring with my Black Radiance palette. I'm medium to deep. I used to use dark to deep, and that worked fine, but I'm gonna give that one to my best friend. But yeah, just doing some warmth, adding some warmth to my skin, and going in with the highlighter. I really don't remember which one I used. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, I used the one inside the palette. And now I'm using the cheek tint, and it's hard to work with. I've never used a cheek tint before. I've never used cream blush. I just use a little quick blush I can just dust over my face and manipulate. This one's a lot harder to work with, so if you're a beginner, yeah, this is when I realized it was giving clown. It was giving too rosy sorbet. It was doing a lot. Yeah, so we couldn't have that. So I just went over it with my dry blush from BH Cosmetics. I had got for free and whatever, and just dusted that and kind of muted that. Now I'm going with the NYX liner, I believe. I hated how this looked. This was so disgusting. I lined it and then put on the cheek tint / lip tint, and it just looked so crusty to me. Like, it just looked nasty. So I took it off immediately. I was tight. I hate when my lip combos look gross. Got me what the fuck. Yeah, I was a little irritated. I like that off ASAP, like Rocky. And I tried it again on its own, and then I was like, it's not awful, right? And then I went over with a NYX gloss. I think that one is Cranberry Pie. I don't know where I got that from. I had to check my Ulta orders because I ordered lip glosses. I love the NYX butter glosses. I don't remember ordering that one. But yeah, just put that over it, and it looked a lot better, a lot more tolerable. It wasn't doing too much at this rate. And now my lashes. Ooh, I don't remember what lashes these are. Oh, I think these are my Kim K lashes. Yes, they are. I think they're my Kim K lashes from my girl Savage City. My girl Ziarah at Savage City, linked below. But yeah, my thoughts. I ain't like the cheek tint like that. I could have went without it. The mascara was fire. Yeah, I think there was cranberry pie. Yeah, I think so. The cheek tint, the mascara and the pie. I can't even tell what primers. I can't really tell what difference they make. So guys, right here, when you're wearing a scarf, make sure you take it off and blend that as much as you can. It's much harder. It's much harder to do it when it's dry, but like, I was like, I didn't care. It was just for this video. I was taking this off right after anyways. But yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.